when the sunlight breaks, every fear from yesterday fades. By the window I close my eyes, a brand new self will soon arrive.
Every tear I shed last night turns to gentle rays of light. In the silence I can hear your soft voice calling me.
Oh, my brand new day, sing to me a warm embrace of faith. Gentle breeze will take my hand, giving strength to rise again. Good morning, my day, with you. Steps along the quiet street, dreams grow stronger underneath. In a simple smile I find little sparks of joy inside. Shadows fading from my heart, vanishing where sunlight starts. Every moment feels so new when the world is touched by